Adrenaline will surge as you brace yourself for terrifying accidents, massive risks, and epic rescues ahead. Don't blink, because you won't want to miss a second. This accident is a serious warning, reminding us that workplace safety is not just a principle to follow, but a vital factor that must be prioritized above all else to protect the lives and health of everyone involved. I can't understand why the truck driver stopped right on the railroad tracks, but he was truly lucky that the train only cut through the back part of the truck. Just imagine, if it had been any closer, the consequences could have been far worse. Do you feel a chill just thinking about it? Oh my God! Unfortunately, this is a reminder of the importance of thorough technical checks before performing tasks. What do you think about ensuring safety in rescue operations like this? Looks like the truck carrying the giant wood thought it was in a mudslide race, but didn't expect to drag the homemade vehicle along for the ride. The scene is both unexpected and funny, but let's not forget, muddy slopes are not the place to test your driving skills. Probably the driver thought he was driving a light truck, but who could have predicted what happened? Not sure why he let the crane roll over like that. Can anyone explain why? The ambulance driver turned around on the tracks without paying attention to the oncoming train. Truly hard to understand. Why take such a risk? Can anyone explain the reasoning behind this action? Watching the driver maneuver this old truck is truly impressive. Despite the hood flying off and the truck loaded with wood, he skillfully navigates through the muddy road. It's like stepping back to the days when the trucks were new, when these powerful vehicles conquered every challenging path. The children in the cabin must surely be feeling the thrill of the adventure.
What the taza?
This video is proof that operating a tree-cutting machine is no simple task. A little lack of skill, and this is the result, an instant accident. Do you think the white car is being transported correctly? Share your opinion in the comments. I guess all he could do was just laugh it off. Maybe the truck driver used up all his luck in this video when the front of the truck crossed the railway tracks. This video is truly fascinating as we watch the truck driver carrying wood struggle to navigate through the muddy road. Even though the truck moves very slowly, the driver perseveres, deserving a medal for patience and driving skills. The close-up shots show the tires almost buried in the mud, but still turning, making it impossible not to cheer for the truck. An unbelievable and impressive moment. Do you think this driver had an incredibly lucky day? Rescuing a truck stuck in a pit on a road full of dirt and rocks, that's just another ordinary day in your mind. Watch the entire video to witness the impressive outcome of this rescue operation. This tank probably thought the muddy road was just a small challenge, But who knew it was like entering a mud swimming contest? Even with steel and armor, sometimes nothing can beat a muddy road like that. The pickup truck probably thought it was a superhero pulling the tree stump. This guy probably didn't expect the tree to fall right into the house like a ticking time bomb. What seemed like a simple task turned into a storm hitting the roof directly. Maybe someone should teach these guys a tree cutting class to avoid the damage caused by this lack of professionalism. The 1974 Euro 375D still demonstrates its remarkable power even when facing a tough, muddy road. With its V8 engine producing 180 horsepower, this vehicle is like a living legend, taking us back to those nostalgic and thrilling days. Truly an icon of strength and durability, nothing can stop it. Today is truly a lucky day for us as we witness the legendary Euro 375D powering through the muddy road, like a tireless warrior. The Russian driver navigated the UAZ through the waterfall in a breathtaking display of incredible driving skills. Would you dare to challenge yourself in a situation like this? The landslide struck like nature's fury, crushing the bulldozer and throwing workers into chaos. A terrifying moment that sends shivers down anyone's spine. The car with the camera must feel like it just won the lottery, narrowly escaping an accident. It was a spectacular assassin dog, like a superhero making a last-second getaway. Maybe he needs a helmet. Is there anyone who agrees that this guy should sign up for a professional tree cutting course to avoid getting revenge from trees again? The car driver seriously violated traffic rules by crossing the railroad tracks when a train was approaching. This action is extremely dangerous.